Turkish and Saudi leader exchange Eid greetings. US granted Saudi nuclear sharing after Khashoggi murder. US intel implies Saudi boosted missile program report. Saudi-led axis hindering resolution of crisis, Qatar foreign minister. Iran does not want to clash with states and powers, Rouhani. Iran urged West to halt arms supplies to Arab coalition. Yemen's Houthis claim to take position in Saudi Arabia. Egypt police kills 14 militant after checkpoint attack. 4 soldiers killed in attack near Baghdad, police source. 40 protested bodies found in Nile, Sudan doctors. Death toll from crackdown in Sudan reaches 108. Eid reminds Rohingya of deprivation in their homeland.